Because Bai Xiaodu wanted to keep their relationship a secret, Su Yancheng saw Xiaoyang and Lin Xiaomiao enjoying a public display of affection while eating KFC, which made him feel very envious. Su Yancheng decided to follow Xiaoyang's example and bought some food for Bai Xiaoduo, hoping to show affection the same way. However, Bai Xiaoduo was distracted, as she was constantly checking her phone to help Yuqi and Yu Shubo. Su Yanqing sensed her indifference toward him, and when Bai Xiaoduo even left to help Yuqi, he felt disconnected. Eating without joy, he also decided to leave. Yu Shubo was practicing his speech for the student council president election in the office. Bai Xiaoduo went to help Yuqi by delivering a blessing bracelet to Yu Shubo. Yu Shubo took the opportunity to apologize to Yuqi for wrongly accusing her. After hearing the apology, Yuqi didn't hold a grudge. Instead, she encouraged Yu Shubo. Later, Bai Xiaoduo went to the comic club, planning to go out with Su Yanqing. However, as they were leaving, two girls approached and Bai Xiaoduo, worried about being misunderstood, pushed Su Yanqing away. Xiaoyang, using Lin Xiaomiao as an experiment, received physical therapy from her while talking about Su Yanqing and Bai Xiaoduo's relationship. That evening, Bai Xiaoduo and Su Yanqing secretly returned to the comic club. Su Yanqing personally taught Bai Xiaoduo how to draw and took the opportunity to kiss her. It was clear that Su Yanqing had planned it. Just as their moment was becoming more intense, Bai Xiaoduo's phone rang. Since she had been checking her phone often during their recent meetings, Su Yanqing grew jealous. He grabbed the phone from her, telling her not to pay attention to it. The two of them then kissed passionately. The next day, Su Yanqing was at the comic club discussing with Xiaoyang when Yu Shufen sent two messages, urging Su Yanqing to finish the third season's manuscript. Su Yanqing passed by and saw the three of them together, misunderstanding that Bai Xiaoduo had lied to him, which made him feel upset. The day of the student council election arrived. With Bai Xiaoduo's help, Yu Shubo successfully won the election and became the president. He was so happy that he invited everyone out for a meal. During the dinner, Xiaoyang organized some games and Su Yanqing was punished. He was asked to stand on stage and publicly announce his relationship with Bai Xiaoduo. He Rui, upon hearing this, felt a pang of sadness. While she congratulated Su Yanqing and Bai Xiaoduo, tears involuntarily streamed down her face. Yu Shubo also felt a sense of inexplicable loss in his heart, but he didn't express it and still wished Su Yanqing and Bai Xiaoduo happiness. He Rui felt lonely and downhearted, having lost her chance with Su Yanqing. She sat quietly by herself. Bai Xiaoduo noticed her and went over to talk. He Rui had always been outstanding since childhood and was able to achieve anything she set her mind to. This is why she fell for someone as excellent as Su Yanqing. However, she explained that love is different from other things. No matter how hard one tries, it cannot always be obtained. After drinking, everyone decided to proceed with the second round of games.